Just like it.
Okay. Oh, like indestructible nylons. Wish my nylons were that indestructible when I was wearing them. Thanks for good filming. Hi, all my gardening friends. Today we are harvesting pumpkins. As you can see, my pumpkin vines are very much so dying off. This is one of your first signs that your pumpkins are ready to harvest, is that all of the vines and leaves and tendrils around them will start dying back. Now my vines are not completely dead. If you look over here, they are like the little pumpkin vines that could. They just keep making new leaves and new flowers, and I hate to tell them that it's Michigan and they do not have time to grow any more pumpkins this season. So we are going to harvest our pumpkins. Another thing you need to look for, obviously, is color. You want your pumpkins to be orange. They were green a couple weeks ago. And when you look at the skin, you want it to be hard. Like when you try to put your fingernail in it, you don't want to make indentations. If you would have touched the skin a couple weeks ago, you would notice that they were very soft. So as the skin gets harder, that's how you know that they are ready to come off of the vine. Now, I let mine go a little long this year. Honestly, these vines are so dry and dying back that I was a little concerned that my pumpkins were going to just fall off. But fear not, nothing has fallen off, and now it is time to harvest them. Let's see how many we have. So, to harvest, I'm just using my fun clippers, and I'm going to take it and clip. Okay, you know what? I'm going to clip up here. Make life easier for myself, and then clip down here. All right, little pumpkin number one. There's one down here in the grass. Whew, that's muddy because it was very wet. Little pumpkin number two. All right. Pumpkin number three. Now, I have one more on the outside of the fence. This vine is toast. He's like, pick me and pick me now. Another pumpkin. Now I'm going to move inside the garden. Okay, in the garden you will see we have another little pumpkin burst of freshness trying, and there's another one over there. These vines just will not quit. So first, get this out of my way. Got this little tiny guy. I think this is, pretty sure this is the smallest one. He's so cute. And now for the biggest pumpkin I've ever grown. I'm so happy. This is going to be my son's jack-o'-lantern for this year. I'm going to weigh him later. I'll let you know how much he weighs. He's so big, I don't even know how to get him off. Let's see. Let's cut this out of my way. Okay, he's loose, I think, maybe. You know what I gotta do? I gotta cut. It's my biggest pumpkin. He's nice and orange, nice and tough. He is going to make an excellent jack-o'-lantern in October. Now, my plan is to put all of these pumpkins into my greenhouse to give them a couple weeks to cure, keep them nice and safe, let their skins get harder, protect them from all the squirrels who want to chew them to bits. And then we will be starting to clean out all of the beds. So all these dead vines will be going into the compost bin to become future dirt for the garden. So thanks for joining me on my pumpkin harvest. If you like to garden and want to follow me and see all things playing in the dirt, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.